guys. Come on, girls. Hey, Snowflake. Come up here, baby. Hey, Snowflake. Hey, honey. Where's Dickie? Dickie. 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 Is that you, honey? Hi, Dickie. How you doing? Looks like you. I could be wrong. I get you mixed up with Donald. No, I don't get you mixed up with Daisy and Snowball there. Hey, Duke. Hey, guys. Feels weird sitting out here with you guys. I haven't sat outside for a while. Hey, Mama Goose. How you doing, dear? How you doing? You're such a good girl. Yeah. Bunch of treats out there, honey. On the other side. Yeah, there's a bunch of treats. You're such a good girl. You're a good girl, honey. Hi, honey. How you doing? Yeah? Waiting for Daddy to come home. Yeah. You're a pretty baby. This is the first time I actually sat with you. I'm out here with you, but we usually distance. Yeah. Thankfully, this chair I can sit in so I can see you guys better. Yeah. You want to say hi? You say hi to everybody? Yeah. You're such a pretty girl. Hi, duckies. What's the matter, honey? Yeah. Too much commotion at one time. Yeah, I understand it. I understand perfectly fine. Yeah, you good girl. Yeah. You wanna pet? Yeah. I promise I'm not gonna hurt you guys. I'm not gonna hurt you at all. I'm not a threat. No, I love you guys so much. Yes, I do. Yeah, you watching everybody else? Everyone's just chilling. Ah, there's Dickie. Dickie! Hey, Dickie! There's Dickie right there. Hey, Dickie, Dickie! I've been the last few days. I've just been out feeding them. I've been in most of the day, each day, because I'm having a hard time with my left side and my lower back, and I can't stand up too long. I'm probably gonna have to go to a regular doctor's here. It takes a while for it to heal, and I fallen like 2 weeks ago. And I've been to chiropractor twice, and I mean, there's relief there, but the pain is just incredible. Hi! I got these guys to cheer me up. There's Terry, if you're watching this video. There's Dickie hanging out with Donald and Daisy. Hi, guys! Are you guys best friends now? Are you pals? Where's Snowball? Where'd Snowball go? Where's Snowball? Misty. Peanut. Hi, Peanut. Hi. You're so cute. I see you guys. Duke. Dookie. Hey, Dookie. And there's Phoenix running by. We got Alice. I got Quackers I'm seeing over there. Looks like. It looks like quackers I'm seeing. And snowflake. Little Muscovy, white Muscovy. Hey, knock it off, honey. Be good. I know it's the season. I know it. I know, honey. It's woof. The male rooster hormones. I understand. Silly babies. Want to come up here, Misty? Come here. I have the turkeys down in their new house. We haven't took the turkeys out the last couple days because we want them to get adjusted to their house. So we're gonna here in probably tomorrow or next week on Monday. We're gonna get them out so they can meet everybody. They got enough room down there. It's like a standard like ice shack looking thing, like a shed. And then we have a dog kennel type deal attached to it. And we have it wrapped so that if it snows or anything, but they want to get out of the coop, they can go in there and stuff like that and keep protected either way. And we're going to let them free range so they can get used to everything. Right, kiddos? The birds are like, who are you? I haven't seen you in like a couple days. They're so adorable. Just like literally just lay in front of me. Like, they're cool with it. I like that feeling. I'm like seriously not wearing any socks. And that's a stupid thing, but I won't be out here too long. What's the matter? What's the matter in there? Huh? What's the matter, call duckies? Olivia and Oliver. Very chill. My animals are very chill. There's Skeeter right there. Skeeter and her mother Peanut, Indian runners. She doesn't walk normally. She was born with a limp, so she has like a limp to her walk. And where is he at? I just got Dickie. Dickie has a limp. He's right here, Dickie. Hi, Dickie. How you doing? That's Dickie. And then I have a few other ducks here that limp. And I have Mama Goose over there. She's got one eyeball. And down the run I have the turkeys. June has one eyeball. And I was gonna say, we also have a chicken tractor down there. Excuse me, I want to sneeze. Excuse me. Oh, it's just me, guys. I'm sorry. Mama sneezed. It's okay. It was a sneeze. It's alright. I didn't mean to freak you out. Anyway, we have a chicken tractor down there, and we have some young some Swedish flowers down there, along with Mama Polish and PP, my black silky, and Tia, white silky, and but yeah, everyone seems to be happy. To me, I think they all have their moments. Chum is a good boy. I love him, but he knows when I look at him and give him the thingy. I give him the fingy. And he likes to go after the ducks, not attack them. He's so hormonal that basically he mounts them. He doesn't do it too much, but He knows if I catch him, he goes into the cage for an hour. And ever since I've been doing the cage thing with him, he has calmed down on, you know, I know it's weird I'm doing it with a chicken. You're like, why would a chicken listen to you, you know? But they're not stupid. I know that much. But, anyways, I put him in the cage for an hour. Now, if you don't behave, you're going to be on the cage for an hour. And then, ever since that, yeah. Anyways, when any of the birds are being naughty, well, I don't have it very often, thankfully. But Chumley likes to be a little extra hyper when it comes to his ego. But yeah, I do the 1 hour punishment. It's not bad punishment. It's just being in the cage for like an hour. It's just my way of saying behave, you know. I don't like doing that. I try not to because, you know, I don't want them to feel like, oh, you're just going to cage me up. That's not the case. No. Hi, honey. Right here is Olivia, one of my call ducks, and that's Oliver. And then I have one of my new khaki Campbells that came with the Mama Goose. I call the 4 of them, I call them the Mama Goose Squad. Because right when she starts honking her alarm, they all run to her. I think it's pretty cool. Right, Dookie? How about you, Skeety? How about you, Skeety? Hi, Skeety. I hear you, Cash. Johnny. June. I hear you, honey. You hear him in the background. It's okay, babies. They're all hanging up against the house over here. I got some hanging by my feet. Yeah. These are so cute. I got a duck right by my foot. He's hanging in. Hi, honey. How you doing? Hi. So cute. Cutie. It's alright. It's alright. So relaxing out here. That's so cute to take it on my foot. You're good, Tom. Well, that's pretty much it for today on my video. Appreciate you for watching. Just a random, just sitting down out here. Get some fresh air. A little nippy though, and windy. Peace out.